Today, I'll walk you through how to scroll left and right in Notion tables and databases, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate your Notion workspace efficiently so you can manage your projects with ease. To get started, open your Notion page. You can do this by navigating to your Notion dashboard and selecting the page where your table or database is located. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Once you're on your Notion page, the next step is to open the desired database. Click on the database you want to work with. This is where all your data is organized, and it's essential to have it open to perform the scrolling actions. Now let's move on to the main action. Click and hold on the bar at the bottom part of the table. This is often referred to as the scroll bar. Once you have it clicked, move it from left to right. This action allows you to view columns that may not fit on your screen. Think of it like moving a window to see different parts of a room. It helps you get a better view of your data. Another effective method to scroll left and right is by holding the Shift key on your keyboard while using the mouse wheel. This technique can be particularly useful if you prefer not to use the scroll bar. It's like using a remote control to change channels. It gives you a quick way to navigate through your content without having to click and drag. As you practice these techniques, you'll find that scrolling in Notion becomes second nature. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. In conclusion, mastering how to scroll left and right in Notion tables and databases can greatly enhance your productivity. You'll be able to access all your information without any hassle. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.